Hello there! If you are using an online booking platform, it's very likely that the way your availability is displayed will shape your schedule. Different layouts will determine what choices your clients make and will surely affect their booking experience. In this video, we will take a closer look at the SimplyBook.me timeline types to help you choose the best layout for displaying your available times. Let's start by navigating the settings, themes and colors, and focus on the timeline settings section. If you want to learn more about other design options, you can refer to our dedicated tutorial. Please note that a preview of your booking page is generated at the bottom of the page, so you can test out the booking flow based on the current design options before you commit to a given layout. If you click on the timeline type drop-down menu, you will see the available timeline layouts. As indicated by their names, some timeline types will show week at a time, while others display your availability one day at a time. Flexible timeline types will offer more versatility in terms of available slots. For example, if you want clients to be able to choose from booking, say, 9, 8:45, or 9:15 slots for their start time. The time increments are determined by the account's time frame in this case. Modern timeline types will do the opposite, effectively rounding up the available times according to the service duration and your availability. This should elicit back-to-back bookings and regular intervals between non-consecutive ones. Classes timeline types are intended for use with our classes feature, where essentially each class has a dedicated service provider. Let's take a moment to look at the available timeline types in the order they're listed. You can try out various configurations or refer to our knowledge base for screenshots of each timeline type so you can pick out the one that suits you best. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.